just got this freshly juiced drink here. Can you guess what it is? You would not guess. I know it's not wine. I know it looks like red wine. Looks like red wine, but it's not wine. It is something very festive here in Jamaica. It is called Sorrel. Yes, it is Sorrel. So I'm gonna have a sip of, well, a drink of this Sorrel drink. Thanks to my husband. Cheers to you, honey. Thanks for making this drink. And yes, Sorrel is very good for your body. As you see, it's red. Let me show you. Yes, it's red. As for those of you who don't know it, it's red and it's very good for your blood. Anything that is red like this to drink, it is good for your blood, meaning that it has a lot of iron in it. And when you drink, and it does have a lot of vitamins, so when you drink stuff with iron, make sure that you take vitamin C. Take a vitamin C, whether it is you want to take it in through lemon or citrus, orange, lemon, or lime, or other fruits like grapefruit. Yes, but you definitely want to get the vitamin C to absorb the iron. Never forget that, as we'll drink to the honor and glory of God. Yes, this is really good. One day I'll definitely I'll have to have a tutorial on how we make the Sorrel drink. Definitely have to do that one of these days. And that's your Monday Meds, and I am your health educator, Tanisha Lawrence. Keep watching. Address the question, how long does the dried sorrel last? Now, drying foods or drying herbs or plants, it's actually a better way of preserving them. So yes, you can actually hold on to dried foods or herbs for a while. So like basil, like parsley, like cilantro, like oregano, like thyme, those are dried, and so those actually you can preserve, you can use them for a while, so you can have them for even years, and they're still good. I would say as long as they don't get wet or get moist. Now here in Manchester, because of the coldness and the cold temperature, it's easy for a lot of the foods that we have dried or even stuff to get moldy. So that's one of the things that I would say to you. You gotta be careful. But I'll share it in the description section of this video. You can actually use silicone bags. Those are the food grade that you can actually add to your food to preserve, to keep fresh from moisture, and to help that you can have it for a longer time. Sorrel, like beets, has its own sugar in it, natural sugar, so it has fructose. So yes, you really don't need to sweeten it, nor you really don't need to add alcohol to it. It is a great refreshing drink, cold or even hot. Yes, so you can drink it as a tea. Yes, Colin, I saw that you said you use it as a tea. You can also drink it as a cold beverage. Just checked with my husband. This is sugar-free. Well, I know it's sugar-free because he knows I don't like sugar. But yeah, it tastes really sweet. And this is 100%. I mean, we do have water in it, so I wouldn't say 100%, but this is sugar-free sorrel. And yes, so it is 100% medicinal. Yes, it has medicinal properties for you. So definitely drink your sorrel. Sometimes, of course, you can drink it with a sweetener, but definitely drink it straight. Drink it straight as much as you can. And yes, it's sorrel. Enjoy. If you're new here, welcome. Thank you for joining us. And yes, be sure to like, share, comment, and subscribe in the link below or the button for new videos and more on your Monday Medz.